Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day for this one again, and the party has stopped, at least for now. And I say at least for now because let's keep things in perspective. The big picture trend here is still quite bullish, and this is not the first time this thing has gone through some pullbacks. There's a pullback, went to highs. There's a pullback, went to highs. Here is a much bigger pullback, moved upwards, and once again, another pullback here. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that it is for sure guaranteed to go back up like it's done in the past. But my point here being is that, yeah, near-term wise, things are looking shaky. Things are quite bearish, but this is still all happening within the context of a much bigger uptrend. So we're going to zoom back in here and actually just get rid of that line that served its purpose for now. But the first update that comes to play is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of attempted bounce, so consolidation and then bounce to the upside, $59 now becomes that first key battleground that you're going to want to watch. And, there's a big question mark, meaning, if there is some sort of bounce, is the bounce actually strong? Does the bounce have genuine power behind it? Well, I don't know. I don't know how to answer that question other than the fact of, well, let's watch $59. And if the price goes up there and blasts up through it, well, then at that point, it makes very logical sense to say, well, yeah, it does actually have quite a bit of strength behind it. But if it goes up there, kind of tiptoes around, well, at that point, I'd be a little bit more skeptical of any sort of, bullish upside movement. As far as levels of support are concerned, it's all about that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and the current value of that is right there at $50.50. And if the price does not quite hold above that level, the next key area of support after that would be down there right around $54.50. So as of now, yeah, things are looking shaky, but let's see if the price can try to get things turned around like it's done several times in the past. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.